In this video, I'm not going to show you how you could be a millionaire or how you can be a millionaire. I'm going to show you how you will definitely be a millionaire with a 100% strike rate and nothing's left to chance or luck or hope. So let's get stuck in. First of all, let me ask you, do you play the lottery? And if you do play the lottery, then let me know why in the comments. I'm not judging, and I know for some of you it's a bit of fun, but for many people, it's about becoming a millionaire. That's the goal. It's a quick win, fingers crossed, hope and pray, that type of thing, right? And for those of you who don't know, it's known as a tax on the poor. And it's known as tax on the poor for a reason, because the odds are tiny. 1 in hundreds of millions. The Euro Millions is over 139 million to 1. And the people who play it, seriously, they're often building nothing. They're not building anything. They're just waiting. Now, here's a contrast. In my office, I've got about 500 books. I've read close to 700 books since I was 21 years old, all on self-development, investing, mindset, trading, sales, leadership, spirituality, you name it. And not one of those books recommends the lottery. Not Richard Branson, I've read about 5 of his books alone. Not one mentions the lottery. Not Tony Robbins, Money Master the Game, Unshakable, which by the way has some great advice from some of the most successful investors on the planet, yet no mention of the lottery. Not one chapter or even a paragraph on the lottery. Tim Feriss, The 4-Hour Workweek. Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, one of the most famous books on financial education in the last generation, no mention of the lottery. In fact, all of these books, they lay out strategies to build wealth, but none say buy a lottery ticket. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich was the first non-fiction book I read, aside from technical books. And this book alone has reportedly created more millionaires than any other book, right? And there's 13 strategies for designing the life of your dreams, and not one of them includes playing the lottery. Why? Success is belief, decisions, actions, results, and then reinforce belief. That's the belief cycle. If you believe something's possible, you make better choices, you take better actions, and then that loop builds momentum. I've built businesses and generated millions off the back of beliefs that I picked up in one of these books. And that's not an exaggeration. That's how powerful a mindset shift can be. The only difference between someone with £500 in the bank or £5 million in the bank is belief. That's it. Now, here's the thing. Reading is a 100% strike rate if you apply what you learn. The odds are massively in your favor. 100% strike rate. All you have to do is do the actions in the books. Because reading a book is like having a millionaire mentor with you 24/7. Their thinking distilled, their frameworks, their mistakes and their wins. You're literally downloading their entire life's work and lessons into your brain in the span of about 5 hours. And what's best is it's all there for the price of a lottery ticket. And yet most people are still hoping for lucky numbers. Now, if you're thinking, all right, well, I don't have time to read, here's a little tip. Get a waterproof Bluetooth speaker like this, put it in your bathroom, listen to audiobooks in the shower or whilst you're brushing your teeth or showering and going to the toilet. That's at least 15 minutes a day, right? Well, that's 91 hours of learning and growth in a year. That's over 16 books just by changing nothing in your life. No excuse. I personally listen to audiobooks at 1.25 times the speed. Some people go even faster than that, right? But that allows you to get through way more than a book a month. And if you're a physical person, take Audible on your walks or on site or to work or the gym. Just commit to 1 chapter a day or even a page. And what you'll find is you'll read a chapter and then you'll continue on most of the time and you'll read more. But build the habit. The habit's the important thing, more than the amount that you're actually reading. And eventually, you're absorbing new thinking daily. You're shifting and your results will start to reflect that. Now, here's something to remember. You need to become a millionaire before you receive £1 million. Jim Rohn said, if you receive $1 million, you better become a millionaire quickly. Otherwise, sure enough, you'll squander it. It will be gone. And that's because wealth isn't about money. It's about worthiness, awareness, and the ability to manage your state. That's why most lottery winners lose it all. They weren't prepared. So here's the question. If you won $1 million tomorrow, is your first thought, what can I spend it on? If it is, that's a signal you might be living someone else's idea of success. You might not be doing what you really are meant to be doing yourself. And if that hits, you've got some work to do. Start with the Freedom Profile Test. Go to alwaysfree.com/freedom test and you'll get a personalized report and, most importantly, a plan to follow. Because this isn't about chance, it's about choice. Stop hoping, start building, start reading, and watch what happens. And on that note, I want to introduce you to the fastest and most efficient and effective way to build the life that you dream of, and that is my book, Always Free. This is my life's work, and you can learn about this by going to alwaysfree.com and get your very own copy. So go and grab this book and do yourself a huge favor. If you invest your time into reading that book and doing the action steps laid out in that book, your life will be unrecognizable in 12 months from now. So don't leave your financial destiny up to chance or hope or praying. Invest some money and time into your brain and do the action steps that you know are necessary to do, and you will unlock the life that you truly want. So until next time, be always free, and I'll see you then.